Welcome back to SPB Creative. How are you all doing? And today is a special day, so I thought of vlogging. I think you guys must be knowing I am at my hometown, and today is my dad's retirement function. So there will be a function at my dad's office as well. After that, my dad's colleagues will be coming over to our home, so we'll be having dad's retirement function. And one more thing I wanted to tell you guys is that my baby Ima, she turned 1. We didn't had any function and all, so today we are gonna have Ima's birthday function as well over here. So we have also invited few of her like family friends, so it would be like almost like 50 to 60 people. That's it. So we'll be having a small function at our home, so I thought that I will vlog. But surprisingly today climate is like not that good. It's raining cats and dogs here, and it's so windy also. We have no idea why. It's been very humid and hot for last few days, but then suddenly it rained today, and we have no idea why. So we are like little concerned, like if everyone would be comfortable coming here because it's raining that heavily. But then we really hope everything is gonna be fine. And we are gonna celebrate Ima's birthday at my husband's place as well. The main function, like Ima's birthday function, will be there on like December 11th, which I'm like super duper excited about. Right now we are not staying at our hometown. We are at Trivandrum, which is my dad's workplace. So day after tomorrow we will be going to Thrissur, which is our hometown. We'll be staying there for like couple of days. After that we'll be moving to Palakkad. So for almost 1 month, not a month actually, maybe like 2 to 3 weeks, maybe like 2.5 weeks, we'll be at Palakkad. So after going to Palakkad, I'll be finishing off all this stitching, and I'll be showing you guys everything which I have stitched. We have done a little bit of decoration in our home. We have ordered food from outside, so and the function will be starting at like 7:30, but then I will get ready by like 4:30 or 5:30 because I want to show you guys my outfit as well as make. I will show you guys how we have decorated.